Your next car could be the 2021 Nissan Rogue. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This feature-rich Rogue adds confidence and convenience to everyday life. Standard driver assist safety tech, large cargo capacity, and spacious seating have your back wherever the road may lead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, heated mirrors, backup camera, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, alarm. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.